event was very nice and well organized. I had a great time. All the stalls were amazing and I had really fun collecting stuff. This event was like fabulous and we got to do so many activities here and it was just great.
Hi everyone, I am a parent of the Salam Community. My kids are in this school as well. I loved the event today. It's been a bit of an eye-opener, obviously, meeting some of the other parents and looking at some of the other kids who've got learning or growing disabilities. It just makes us thank God. See, I've got goosebumps again. It makes you feel really thankful and humble, and we should do our bit to help these kind of parents. They don't have it easy. Let's accept it. But yeah, another wonderful event by Al Salam. Thank you, and yeah.
Hi, my name is Faye and I'm a volunteer here in Springfest and I manage the sensory area activity, and I felt really glad on like managing special needs people, and I felt this event was very successful and I really enjoyed this.